Welcome to our guide on choosing an IPTV provider. Today, we'll simplify the decision-making process for you. Firstly, let's talk about channel variety and content. Research the channels offered by different IPTV providers. Make sure they have the channels you love to watch. Next, consider the compatibility with your devices. Check if the IPTV provider supports your favorite device. Another vital factor to evaluate is video quality. Look for providers that offer HD and 4K streaming. Don't forget to read user reviews about performance. Customer service can make or break your experience. Ensure they offer prompt assistance when you need help. Now, let's highlight the importance of pricing options. Compare different providers based on what fits your budget. Some providers may offer free trial periods. This is a fantastic way to test the service before committing. For a great experience, consider 2tv.store for a trial. Register and explore the vast array of channels offered. Another factor is the number of simultaneous connections allowed. Check the limits, as this can affect your family's usage. Consider the provider's policy on buffering and downtimes. Look for providers with minimal buffering and strong uptime. Finally, during your selection process, trust your instincts. Choosing an IPTV provider should feel comfortable for you. Keep a checklist of the criteria we discussed today. Don't rush your decision. Take your time evaluating options. If you keep these considerations in mind, success is near. Thank you for joining us on this IPTV journey. Remember to check out 2tv.store for your free trial. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Share your IPTV experiences in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tips on streaming and entertainment. Good luck in choosing your IPTV provider and enjoy.